Welcome to How to Acrylic Pour on a Cheeseboard. To do this, you will need a cheeseboard, spray sealer, Floetrol, acrylic paints, cups, straws, popsticks and gloves. We've already mixed our colours. If you don't know how to do that, go watch our video Acrylic Pouring for Beginners. Starting with the dark blue, pour it carefully along the edge of the board. Then continue with each of the lighter blues in lines. That's the ocean colours. I'm going to use my hand to swipe the colours across the cheeseboard, and you'll notice that little bubbles appear in the paint. Using a finger, push the paint to the sides of your cheeseboard to cover the area. Otherwise, use a popstick for those finer corners. Don't worry if the paint drips down the side. We can clean it up, or you can just let it dry like that. It can just be rustic. Now it's time to pour your waves. To do this, carefully pour the white in an even line from one end of the board to the other. To blow your waves, use a straw and use the same air pressure as you move along from one side of the board to the other. Don't blow directly down, blow on an angle. All we need to do now is wait for it to dry for at least, I'd say, 48 hours, sometimes a little bit more. Once it's completely dry, we use a sealer to cover it and protect it so it lasts. Without a sealer, if this gets wet or gets touched too much, it will peel straight off the board. But with a sealer, it will last a long time. If you plan to eat off this board or present food, remember to pick a sealer which is food safe. To learn how to seal your board, watch our next video on sealing at Canvas in Common. And that is our finished creation. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and share with us the ones that you make as well at Canvas in Common and #Canvas in Common. We love to see what you've created.